Mabuhay from the beautiful city of Manila. I'm Bakwesa for the channel Fragrance RX, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of these fragrances from the house of Luxodor Niche Perfumes. They're none other than Prince and Alga. So, what are we waiting for? Let's open up these packages. So, stay tuned! So these two fragrances were sent to me by the house themselves, Luxodor Niche Perfumes. Very generous of them for sending me these two bottles. And guys, if you want to check out their fragrance selections, I'll put their link down below, their main website. Make sure to check them out. And I'm pretty much well aware of Luxodor Niche Fragrances perfumes. In fact, I made a review of their Loyal Alga right here. This is a good alternative to Parfums de Marly's Layton. And guys, this fragrance lasts a lifetime on my skin, and it costs really cheap. I got this for about 1,500 pesos, roughly about $30 US. A very cheap alternative to Parfum de Marly's Layton, and guys, phenomenal. It will last a lifetime on your skin, trust me. Very good alternative to Parfum de Marly's Layton. And they sent these two bottles right here through J Fragrance Corner. In fact, I also got this Loyal Alga from J Fragrance Corner. I'll put their link down below as well. Make sure to check them out. If you want to buy many fragrances from them, they have vast selections of fragrances, so you just have to choose designer, niche, clone houses, just name it guys, they have it. So just message J Fragrance Corner there. They offer their fragrances for a very affordable price. So guys, what are you waiting for? Message J Fragrance Corner right now. I'll put their link down below. Make sure to check them out. I'll also just plug in how very nice their paper boxes are. Just look at this guys. Very good. Very good design. As you can see, Luxodor in front, Luxodor Niche Perfumes, and it's from Switzerland right here. As you can see, their branches there, and their logo right here. Very good paper box where your fragrances will be placed. Alright, so without further ado, let's open this package. Starting off with this Prince right here. Prince. So I'll be opening this package right now. And it comes in this black box right here. And in front, we can see here Prince, their logo right here, Luxodor Niche Perfumes, and Swiss Fragrance, Extrait de Parfum, right there. 80 milliliters, 2.7 fluid ounces. Very gorgeous design right here. At the sides, very similar with Loyal Alga's box right here. Very similar. And at the back, we can see here the note breakdown. And for the notes, you have the following. On the top, we have apple, bergamot. For the middle, we have cedarwood and jasmine. And for the base, we have dry woods, oak, moss, and musk. And the description of this fragrance here at the bottom part of this box, right there. And we can see their website right here. And at the bottom, we can see here, there, the barcode there. And this instruction, apply to pulse points. You can apply fragrance to clothing, but the fragrance won't project the same way it does when applied directly to skin. Wow, this is the first time that I've seen a fragrance house place a tip in their box. So this is actually true. If you apply your fragrances on clothes, they will last long, but they won't project that much compared when you apply it directly onto your skin. So kudos to Luxodor Niche Perfumes for placing this tip right here. Very informative of them. And we can find a seal right here. Seal of authenticity, I think. So let's open this package with my handy dandy knife. There you go. I don't want to rip the sticker. And you'll be the first ones to see what's inside. Alright, so we have here Prince right here. So the bottle looks very similar with Loyal Agar, as you can see right here. And in front, it comes with a black bottle. In front, we can see here the logo as well. Luxodor Niche Perfumes, Prince, Extrait de Parfum, 80 milliliters, 2.4 fluid ounces. And the only difference is that on the top, there's no Luxodor here. There's no Luxodor Switzerland on the cap. Nothing at the bottom. Nothing as well. Just the design. Just the very gorgeous design that we can see at the side of the box right here. They're the same. Alright, so the sprayer. Okay. So the Luxodor is at the cap. Alright, so it's at the cap. As you can see right there. Comparing to my Loyal Agar, there's no Luxodor on the sprayer. The Luxodor here, the Luxodor on the cap of Loyal Agar is at the sprayer of Prince, as you can see right here. And it comes in this bronze sprayer. And let's try this. I'll be spraying it here on my left hand. Oh, it sprayed right away. Oh, wow. Very fine mist. Wow. Wow, as you can see. Oh my god, I know this smell. Oh, wow. It's a wait. I'll reserve it later. Alright, so this is just for the presentation part. So now I'll be opening this second package. This big box right here. And let's open it. Sadly, it got damaged because of the shipping process. But it's okay. It's a very big box compared to the Prince and Loyal Agar. As you can see, there's no label. There's no name of the fragrance. And if you look at the back, you can see this one right there. If you want to read it, just pause this video. Right? Euphoria in every flacon. Exclusive edition. Wow. Alright. And at the bottom, you can see as well the logo of Luxodor. There. And let's open this package. Careful. You'll be the first ones to see what's inside. Alright. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. This is very, very gorgeous packaging. Euphoria in every flacon. Exclusive edition. Very, very good packaging. Wow. As you can see right there, Alga. Alright, so let's take it out. It comes with this paper right here. Alga Euphoria in every flacon. Exclusive collection. Right there. Alright, and this is the note pyramid. Very, very gorgeous presentation. On the top, we have basil, lavender, bergamot. For the middle, we have geranium, apple, cloves, and cinnamon. And for the base, we have patchouli, cedar, vanilla, labdanum, oak moss, and musk. Alright. And this is the bottle. Wow. Wow, guys. Very, very gorgeous looking bottle. As you can see in front, Alga, limited edition, right there. By Luxodor Swiss fragrance. It comes with this very, very gorgeous cap with a diamond on top, right there. Very, very gorgeous bottle design. And this is the sprayer as well. We can see the Luxodor. Very heavy cap as well. Very heavy bottle and cap. Quality presentation from Luxodor. I'll spray it here on my right hand. Okay, nothing came out on the first. There you go, second. Very fine mist as well. Oh my god, wow. I'm immediately reminded of another fragrance and I'll tell you later on. But, wow, guys. Wow, I really love the smell of these two fragrances. They have pretty good sprayers as well. So guys, you saw my unboxing already. Now, let's go to the initial impression part of this video. Let's wait for these two fragrances to settle down first. Alright, so let's now smell these two fragrances, starting off with Prince. Alright, I know this smell. Guys, this smells pretty close to Creta Ventus, but with a twist. That twist is they added a little bit of sweetness to this fragrance. It's like you take a Ventus and you add Baccarat Rouge from Maison Francis Kurkdjian. Guys, that's how I can describe this Prince. This Prince right here. It opens up like you'll definitely appreciate the Creta Ventus vibe. But after a few minutes from the initial spray, the sweetness now starts to come out in this fragrance, balancing that Creta Ventus vibe. Again, it's like a combination of those two fragrances. That's just how I can smell this Prince right here. You take a Ventus, you add a sweet nuance into it, and that's how this Prince smells like. And it also has this very somehow cooling effect, which is really good, guys. I don't know if it has saffron. It doesn't have saffron, but guys, I can appreciate that cooling menthol vibe in this Prince. So it's definitely a Creta Ventus alternative, this Prince right here. So again, Creta Ventus with the Baccarat Rouge vibe, and you add a little menthol vibe into it, a cooling kick in this fragrance. That's how I can describe this Prince. And now, guys, if this fragrance, if Loyal Agar lasts a lifetime on my skin, I can see that you can definitely be very satisfied with this fragrance. Why? Because, guys, Luxodor fragrance really lasts long on my skin. And guys, if you're looking for a very cheap alternative to Creta Ventus with a sweet kick, with a sweet twist, then guys, by all means, grab this Prince. I can't emphasize it more. Guys, this really smells good. If you're a fan of Creta Ventus, and if you want to save up the juice of your Creta Ventus, if you just want a casual wearing scent, and you're afraid that your Creta Ventus will be gone too soon, you don't want to spray that very expensive Creta Ventus if you're just going to the mall, or if you're just going to an errand, if you're buying groceries, then guys, by all means, grab this Prince right here by Luxodor. I can't emphasize it more. It really smells good. I don't know, but Luxodor fragrances are really good at making their fragrance. They're really good at their craft. Imagine Creta Ventus and you add a sweet twist in this fragrance, and they made this Prince. It's very ingenious of them. Very innovative of Luxodor niche fragrance. So guys, I can see you wearing this fragrance anytime, anywhere, any place, any season. It's a very versatile scent. But then again, I will still have to do a full review of this fragrance, full wearing, just to see, just to confirm if this also lasts a lifetime, like this Loyal Agar by the House of Luxodor. So again, this is Prince by the House of Luxodor Niche Perfumes. Now let's move on to Alga, right here, Alga. Wow, I really love the bottle design of this fragrance. It's very different to their ordinary bottles. Indeed, this is their, I think, their niche line. And just look at the gorgeous bottle design, guys. I will definitely display this fragrance on my here in my fragrance cabinet right here. I'll definitely put this in front. And guys, on the initial spray of this Alga, wow, really smells good. It opens up with this very sweet bomb. And I was immediately reminded of another fragrance, a discontinued gem, which is from the house of Jean-Paul Gaultier, Gaultier 2, right here. It immediately reminded me of this fragrance. I don't know, but this fragrance doesn't have amber. I've checked again their note breakdown. There's no amber, but that's the dominant note that I can appreciate in this Alga. Guys, this fragrance is really smooth amber. Guys, it really smells good. I'm really happy that they sent me this Alga right here, because I don't want to spend a lot of juice on this fragrance, because as you can see, I want this bottle, the juice level, to be intact. And guys, I'm really happy that Luxodor sent me this fragrance. I already have this Altamir by the House of Ted Lapidus, but guys, this doesn't smell 100% identical to Gold T2. This Alga smells really identical with this Gold T2, the initial blast. That sweet amberish vibe. Oh my god, Alga really smells good. I'll be keeping this bottle. Guys, I really love this bottle right here. Guys, I really can't stop myself from smelling this Alga on my hand. It really smells good. Guys, it really smells good. It's a very relaxing scent. So what are the main notes that I can detect in this fragrance? Amber. Lots of amber, guys. This is an amber bomb as well as benzoin. However, those two fragrances are not listed in the official note breakdown of this Alga. That amber adds a waxy vibe in this fragrance. That benzoin adds a resinous vibe in this fragrance. Cinnamon adds sweetness to this fragrance. Lavender adds a touch of powdery vibe in this fragrance. And the bergamot adds a little bit of freshness in this fragrance. So that's how I can describe the note breakdown. The main notes that I can detect in this Alga. And it really smells good, guys. Very relaxing scent. Pretty much identical with this Gold K2 right here by the house of Jean-Paul Gaultier. I really love this Alga right here. Very good smelling scent. When can you wear this fragrance? Cooler environment. You must wear this fragrance. You can wear this fragrance in cooler environment, temperature controlled environment, fall and winter. And guys, perfect date scent. This fragrance is a really sexy scent. If this fragrance is a perfect date scent, then guys, this fragrance as well is a perfect date scent, perfect intimate moment scent, perfect Netflix and chill scent, perfect cuddling scent. That's how I can see this Alga right here. And with the reputation that Luxodor niche perfumes fragrances really lasts long on my skin, then I can bet this Alga will also last long on my skin. Maybe it can also last longer than this Gold T2 right here. So that's for Alga. Again, a very good smelling scent, a good alternative to Gold T2. But then again, I will still have to do a full review, full wearing of this fragrance just to see if this really lasts long on my skin and for the development of this fragrance as well. So that's it, guys. Again, a big shout out to Luxodor Niche Perfumes for sending me this bottle through J Fragrance Corner. Very generous of you guys. Again, if you want to check out their fragrance selections of Luxodor Niche Fragrances and J Fragrance Corner, I'll put their links down below. Make sure to check them out. So that's it. You saw my unboxing and first impressions of this fragrance. Now what are your thoughts with regards to this Prince by the house of Luxodor and this Alga, again by the house of Luxodor Niche Perfumes? Do you want to own this fragrance? You've heard my review and I'm really happy with these two bottles right here. What are your thoughts with these two fragrances? Do you want to buy these two fragrances already with my first impressions? Again, put your comments down below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrancer X, and hit the notification bell down below. Again, this is Wedson for the channel Fragrancer X, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and stay fragrant!